Namaste, Amisha Khushro. Myself, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, Assistant Professor, Department of Materia Medica, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, JVWU. Today topic is History of Medicine, Part 2. Rome falls in 476 after death. As the Roman Empire ended, Europe fell into the Dark Ages. Superstition crept back into belief about medicine, and people were taught that disease were punishment from God. Some saints were almost specialists. Saint Dymphana was favored for mental disease, Saint Hubert for suffering of rabies, Saint Roch for plague, Saint Blaise for throat complaint. The Middle Ages Europe was hit with a terrible epidemic that killed millions of people called the plague or Black Death. Two deadly forms of the plague. Pneumonic plague was spread in the air from person to person. Bubonic plague was caused by bites from infected fleas. The fleas bite rat and then bite human, causing the disease to spread quickly in dirty cities. The Arab influences. Much of what was learned from the Greeks and Roman was transferred to the new Islamic regions of northern Africa, the Middle East and Spain. Medical schools and hospitals were built to support the work of Arabic doctors who further explored medicine as a science. Avicenna 1980 to 1037 after death, the Prince of Physicians is noted for his canon of medicine. Leonardo da Vinci 1452 to 1519, artist in the Renaissance period interested in the human form, or he studied anatomy. Da Vinci made hundreds of anatomically correct drawings. He desiccated bodies. Andrea Versailles, 1514 to 1564, was the first master of human anatomy. His careful studies provide doctor with accurate information. Vesalius did not accept the teaching of Galen without experimenting on his own. Vesalius kept a copy of Galen's book on hand and made changes in them. He found over 200 mistakes in the ancient book. Medicine in the 17th century. The greatest advance of the 17th century was the discovery of circulation of blood. Credit goes to Englishman William Harvey, 1578 to 1657. Harvey dissected his own freshly dead family member, his father and sister, before burial. Leeuwenhoek, 1632 to 1723, developed the most powerful microscopes of his day. He discovered one called protozoa and bacteria. His work eventually led to the discovery of causes of disease such as Black Death. Edward Jenner, 1749 to 1823. Jenner was ridiculed and resented by his fellow doctor. He unknowingly created the first vaccine. This cartoon makes fun of Jenner in oculations. The birth of anesthesia, a 19th century physician administering chloroform prior to surgery. Ether was one of the earliest anesthetic to be used, but it was difficult to administer as it usually made the patient choke. Reno Theophile, Hygienic Lane and the Stethoscope, 1821. Louis Pasteur, 1822 to 1895. Louis Pasteur argued that diseases were caused by germs and so effectively established bacteriology such as a science. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.